Okay, very good morning here on the 18th of September 2020. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Trades Conference and the Trades Open Day. Welcome to the market update this morning here at Master of the Markets. It is Friday. That means that we do our weekly market update and we give you a summary of where we are on the week. As you've seen from the title, minus 2.78% this week, so small loss. Giving back a little bit of that upside that we achieved last week. Still a record week last week. Absolutely expect a small losing week to kick in after a huge winning week. Absolutely normal. But you can see that here's the key thing, is that we give back a little bit and we gain a huge amount. I mean, that was a record week and we took the whole thing just there. But the losses do come in, but they are small, and that's critical. This week, I want to talk about earn and learn. What does this actually mean? Okay, so this is more geared up towards those people that are working with trading and learning from someone who is trading the market live. So Master of the Market is a good representation of that type of a body. What we do is we trade the market live in real time. We publish every trade that we're taking. So the journal, for example, that you see us updating and talking about here in the market update every single week, we are putting that out there, and people are looking at those trading opportunities. They have the opportunity to copy them. Now, obviously, we don't recommend people to take trades. We're not authorized, regulated to give advice, but people do have the opportunity to look at that journal, and they have the opportunity to, if it fits their trading plan, to also take trades in alignment with that as well. Now, if you're doing that, you're earning. Okay, so last week, if you had taken the same trades that we had taken in the live trading room, you would be earning and taking to the bank that 12.88%, right? This week, you'd have been taking to the bank minus 2.78%, the natural part of trading. We accept this, right? We finished net up over the 8-year period that this live trading room has been running from 2012 until 2020. We are finishing the years net up. We are finishing net up, and that is true. You take that money to the bank, right? It's real money. You can take your family on a holiday. You can buy a new car, whatever it is for you. Earn and learn. So you earn, make that the top priority. And look at the title of this market update. It's called Earn and Learn, not the other way around. It's called Earn and Learn. So earn is your top priority. Learn is your secondary, because we do, obviously, if someone is just earning and blindly placing trades and not understanding what's going on is going to feel a little bit silly, right? You're not a monkey in essence, right? You want to understand, you want to have a good, strong knowledge of what's happening in the market, how we're developing this. But one thing you have to understand is that between myself and Thiru, we've been trading the markets for 12 years each, okay? So that means that there's 24 years of experience between us. So when I analyze the market, when Thiru analyzes the market, what you're looking at is a cumulative experience of 24 years going into a 15-minute presentation, maybe in our live trading room. And of course, it's going to be, I'm not going to say complicated, because it's not complicated once you understand the core mechanics. I'm going to say it's detailed. It's extremely detailed. Why? It's pure price action only trading. No one in the industry that I've come across can really trade pure price profitably, transparently, successfully, cumulatively. I haven't come across it, in all honesty. And here's the thing to understand, is that if we're able to achieve that, of course the mechanics are going to be detailed. There's a lot in there that we need to cover, right? So we're getting through all of that, we're putting that out there, and it's going to be detailed. The reason that it looks complicated is because it's detailed. I mean, that is the truth, right? We cannot deny that. So your goal is not to learn the whole thing inside out, straight away, from the off, from the get-go. That's not the point here. What your goal is, what you're looking to achieve here, is top priority, as I said, earn, right? Use the trading opportunities, the understanding. If it fits your trading plan, you also take the trades as well. You have that opportunity to earn. Second opportunity, second priority is learn, okay? You have the opportunity to learn as well. We're going to teach you through the live trading rooms, through the Q&A sessions, through one-to-one elite coaching, through the live trade mentorship advanced, through all of these other elite programs that we've developed. You have the opportunity to learn what we're doing so you can duplicate it yourself. You don't even need us after that. Once you become an elite trader, you don't need us around anymore, because a Vedanta Elite Trader is a trader that's fully independent, fully standalone, and can do this entire thing themselves. That's a successful Vedanta Elite Trader. And we are developing traders at the elite level to be able to do that, right? They have access to us one-to-one, and we're mentoring them, we're coaching them, we're tutoring them. And that's important to understand. So you have that as an opportunity. What I want to show you today is a quick update on the market of what we got to. As I said, minus 2.78% this week, giving back a little bit of the upside profit this week, but we're running several floating trades. On the dollar yen, for example, we're running 2 trades at the moment. Sorry, on the dollar yen, we're running 1 trade at the moment. One trade we banked, we hit its target yesterday. That took 1.4% or something in that region. We can check the journal to get the exact numbers. We're also running another trade on the TSL price strategy where we entered the market on the close here, and we are trailing the stop behind the high of each bar. So today we should get an opportunity to break even if all things stay equal as they are. And we are currently in a profit on the current trade opportunity. The stop is around 40 pips away. We're 55 pips off. That's about 1.2% of upside in floating profit on just that one. We're also in floating profit on the oil trade as well. Let's take a look. 101 against 169, about 0.6% up there. If we were to bank everything out that's floating in terms of profit, we would basically have a profitable week this week as well. But we're not doing that. We're following the plan exactly. We need to trail some of these stops. Again, the TSL price is geared up towards catching bigger moves in the market. That's what oil was last week. It looks like it's shaping up to do that this week as well. So if that happens, then obviously we're going to have a great run again. And next week should be a good profitable week as well if we bank out some of the bigger trades on the TSL price strategies and the LO 20% OE. We're also running trades short on the dollar Swiss. We had a great trailing stop here, which was around this region. We actually had the initial stop here. This was the ISL. We trailed the stop to this point here, and that avoided this spike. Actually, it was a very, very clever trail. And what we've done yesterday is we've moved our stop to the high of this bar, and we're still currently short. Okay, so we entered the market on the low. Sorry, we didn't enter the market on the low. We entered the market on the close of the primary, just there. And so as a result of that, we're now extremely minimal in terms of potential loss that can be made. We're looking for this to continue moving to the downside. So that's what we're looking for in dollar Swiss. Let's see if we pan out. We'll get that. Obviously, we'll update you next week. You'll be able to see the true P&L for it. But as of this week, live trading room down minus 1.97. The elite room down minus 0.81. So very small losses. You can see we had huge profit last week. Small losses this week. And this is what we're gearing you up to. Again, the learn element of this entire program is about how to do this. How do you keep these losses really, really small? And this is what is so important. We want you to understand this. We want you to be able to understand how this translates to real life money, right? And the fact that you don't need to have all of the knowledge. You don't need to have an exquisite understanding of detailed analysis of all the trading strategies, all the rules and everything like that. Even some of the more senior traders in the team, they still think that they need to have an extremely comprehensive, all-rounded knowledge of the entire strategy. It's not true. I haven't memorized all the rules of the strategies. I don't even think it's possible, to be honest. But what I do have is a very strong understanding of the core mechanics around how the strategies have been built, what the build-up is, what the makeup of the strategy is. I understand that. And as a result of understanding that, I can then apply that into the market, right? And then when I look back at the rules make sense because I can quickly reference things that I need to understand. And that makes sense to me because I've understood the overarching concepts. For all of our customers, this is what my message would be to you. That look, I mean, and for all traders out there, forget about Master the Markets customers. For any trading company you're working with, even if you're learning yourself, my message out there to you would be take it easy on yourself in terms of your learning. I mean, your learning is going to progress over time. Make your priority the earning. Earn from the market. Work with a trader provider that's giving you live trading and transparently as well, showing you the cumulative results over an 8-year period minimum, 5-year period minimum, cumulative, what happened year by year, not back tested, real time. And that's what we do at Master the Markets. So you have the opportunity there to take money to the bank just off the back of what we're doing. Obviously, we don't recommend or encourage you to do that. We can't give advice. But there is that opportunity, if it fits your trading plan, to take the trades along with the trading plan just there. And then we'll back you up with the learning as well, so we'll definitely give that to you. So that's the opportunity you have here at Master the Markets. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in and being loyal fans of us and following us and watching our videos. If there's anything you want us to go over specifically, just let us know. Very happy to do it at any time. Make sure you like and you subscribe to our videos as well. Next week, I'm going to do a comprehensive market analysis on things like Bitcoin, cocoa, soybeans, and we're going to go over into more detail next week with different markets. So stay tuned for that. I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.